Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to activate a 3D secure Mastercard. First, grab your computer or smartphone and log into your bank's online banking portal or mobile app. Once you're in, look for the section that says Card Services or Card Management. This is where you'll find all the options related to your cards. Next, select your Mastercard from the list of cards you have. You should see an option that mentions 3D Secure or Secure Code. Click on that option. Now, follow the prompts to activate a 3D Secure. You might need to verify your identity using password, an SMS code, or even biometric verification like your fingerprint or Face ID. Don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. And that's it. Once you've activated 3D Secure, you'll get an extra layer of protection for your online purchases. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.